anybody would look at this project and say, you know, you're out of your mind. This is impossible. With Steve, I said, well, if you don't mind, I'd like to, for the first time in my life, do 2 vintage airplanes at once. I'll do the A-26 and the Martin at the same time.
The idea came up of putting this Martin 404 airliner back into operation. And then now the museum wants this A-26 up and flying. It had been talked about for a long time, but now the plan actually came through and we're going to it as fast as we can.
I'm standing next to the vertical stabilizer of the Martin 404. Some, what do we figure, 15 feet tall. When it's on the airplane, it's 29 feet up in the air. We had to squat the airplane down on its tail. We lifted the nose with a skip loader and put the airplane down on the tail and rigged up quite a rig to pull this off. And it took 3 tries because every time we got ready, the wind started blowing and we had to stop. Glenn L. Martin was a genius designer and wanted to build the iconic replacement for the DC-3. They developed the 404, which we're sitting in, with improvements. It was pressurized and air-conditioned. It was faster, bigger engines. And immediately, airlines put in orders for over 100 of them, which in those days was a lot. And they started producing the airplanes.
All the VIPs that were on it, the Hollywood elite, different people like Howard Cosell and Muhammad Ali. I mean, that's just fantastic. And the beautiful executive interior.
This particular airplane with this interior has, there's no other word for it, it has a wow factor. And without fail, to this day, when we have people climb the back steps there and step through the door, the first word out of their mouths is wow.
Just the joy of, you know, seeing a project like this go from basically, if you want to say junk to an absolutely beautiful aircraft again that can go anywhere. I mean, that's a real goal.
These airplanes fly because of money. Without the money, there's not going to be any radial engine sound, there's not going to be any maintenance done, there's not going to be any new parts. So the money is very important. And I also must mention that, you know, we are a 501c3, so your donations are tax deductible, and hope to see you real soon.